What's up, folks? Appreciate y'all checking this video out. So some of the things we have to do around this goat farm is we have to band billy goats. It's one of them things. Introduce yourself. He ain't wanting to talk. His name's Henry. He's a 12-week-old Kiko Billy, and we're going to band him today. It's one of them things you have to do, keep them from inbreeding with their moms and cousins around the farm. This one right here, though, he's actually not from our farm. He's from a friend of mine that lives down the road. So we're going to show y'all how we're going to band him. A couple things you're going to need. You're going to need a banding thing. We just get these off Amazon. You can get the rings off Amazon. And something else is just some isopropyl alcohol. What you do with the alcohol is you have to rub his testicles down real good with that. That way they don't get infected. It's not fun for them, I don't think. But honestly, after just a little bit, they're back up running around. Now he will sit down and kind of be a little lethargic for a second, but I guess I would be too. So, anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Next thing you're going to see is us clean him up and getting ready to put the band on him. All right, folks, we're getting ready to band this little Billy. We're going to go ahead and first thing we're going to do, we're going to drench this rag down with alcohol, clean him up real good. Now, normally I don't do this part. My buddy Ryan, he volunteers for this, but for some reason he don't want to be on camera doing it today. So, anyways, let's go ahead and soak this rag down really good with alcohol. We want to get them cleaned up good. We don't want them getting infected, and that's the main thing. And that's something you do have to watch out for. So first thing we're going to do, you got to get them cleaned up really good. Oh, Henry, he don't like this, but he'll be all right. All right, so we got him cleaned up. Now we got to put the band on him. All right, folks, so I had to switch sides because I'm right-handed. I find it easier to do it like that. So we got the boy cleaned up, and now we're going to go ahead and get ready to band him. Whenever you band him, it is very important to make sure that you don't get their teats in under the band. There's two teats in between his testicles and the belly. Make sure you do not have them in the band. If you do, cut the band off immediately and start over. All right, so you see we got the green size band on here. We're going to go ahead and roll that to the back of the banding tool, and then just squeeze that thing open as far as you can. So it's going to be a little tough to get them on there, and Ryan may have to come help stand him up right here. He does not like it, just like I wouldn't. So anyways, you see how they're hanging right there, and you see the teats? That's what you don't want to get in there. Spread open. Next thing you do, just get him in. Make sure you kind of pull them down. But again, do not get that teat in there. And just band them. And that is it. Now, they should come off in probably 6 to 8 weeks. Sometimes a little more, sometimes a little less. That's finished product. All right, folks. So you got to see every bit of Henry. I hope you enjoyed that. Now, Henry may be a little bit sluggish after this, but that's normal. I know it would be for me. But anyways, so appreciate y'all tuning in to Henry. Henry, you got anything to say? No? It wasn't that bad? Anywho. All right, well, good deal. We appreciate y'all tuning in. And y'all go hit like and subscribe. That way we can keep making these for y'all. And I'm betting you won't see Henry in another one.